Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County and south central Wisconsin, northeastern Lafayette County and south central Wisconsin until 10:30 p.m. At 10:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Argyle, 8 miles east of Darlington, and moving northeast at 85 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Monticello and New Glarus around 10:15 p.m., Albany around 10:20 p.m., Brooklyn around 10:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dayton. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter.